Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to become a data analyst. In this video, we'll be discussing a roadmap for aspiring data analysts who want to build a career in the field of data analysis. Before we dive into the roadmap, let's briefly talk about what data analysis is. In simple terms, data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. To become a successful data analyst, you need to have a combination of technical and soft skills. The technical skills include proficiency in data analysis tools and programming languages, such as SQL, Excel, R, and Python. The soft skills required include communication, problem-solving, critical thinking, and the ability to work in a team. Now, let's dive into the roadmap for becoming a data analyst. Step 1. Learn the basics of statistics and data analysis. To become a data analyst, you need to have a solid foundation in statistics and data analysis. You can start by learning the basics of statistical concepts, such as probability, sampling, and hypothesis testing. You can also take online courses, such as Coursera or Udemy, to gain a better understanding of these concepts. Step 2. Master Excel and SQL. Excel and SQL are two of the most widely used tools in data analysis. Excel is used for data visualization and analysis, while SQL is used for querying and manipulating databases. It's important to have a good understanding of both tools to become a successful data analyst. Step 3. Learn a programming language, such as R or Python. Once you have a good understanding of Excel and SQL, it's time to learn a programming language. R and Python are two of the most popular programming languages for data analysis. You can start by learning the basics of programming, such as data types, loops, and functions, and then move on to more advanced topics. Step 4. Build a portfolio. Building a portfolio is a great way to showcase your skills and experience to potential employers. You can start by working on personal projects or contributing to open-source projects. You can also participate in online data analysis competitions, such as Kaggle, to gain more experience and build your portfolio. Step 5. Get certified. Getting certified is another way to demonstrate your skills and knowledge in data analysis. There are several certifications available, such as the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate or the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Step 6. Apply for jobs. Finally, it's time to apply for data analyst jobs. You can start by looking for entry-level positions or internships to gain more experience. You can also network with other data analysts or attend job fairs to increase your chances of landing a job. So, that's our roadmap for becoming a data analyst. Remember, becoming a data analyst requires a combination of technical and soft skills, so make sure to work on both. With dedication and hard work, you can become a successful data analyst and build a fulfilling career in the field of data analysis. Thank you for watching.